Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to talk about Allama Iqbal. This is a text chapter in your textbook, and you have to read out the chapter. So I'll share the learning outcomes first, that you will be able to know about Allama Iqbal. You will be able to use new vocabulary words, and you will be able to answer the required questions. As you know that we are discussing vocabulary in different form from this month, and first word that we have is accomplishment. The meaning of this word is something that has been achieved successfully. And the sentence is, we celebrated the accomplishment of all our goals. The second word is abroad. It means in a foreign country. We usually go abroad for a week in May. Next word is propose. It means to put forward a plan or a suggestion for consideration by others. He proposed a plan. See, the meaning of propose can also be an offer, to offer something, right? Next word is oriental. It means eastern. The sentence is, I am interested in oriental pottery. Oriental can be opposite of western. Western means something that is not related to our culture, and oriental is cultural, inside your country, inside your culture. That means eastern, right? Next word is legislative. It means having the power to make laws. The sentence is, he was the last president of the Legislative Assembly. You must have heard this word a lot of times in news and in shows, in political shows, because it is related to politics, to laws, to government. It's an official word. Another word of the same category, that is democracy. Democracy means a system of government by the whole population or all the eligible members of a state, typically through elected representatives. Have you seen an election? What happens in an election? That you go and you cast your vote for your favorite individual, for your favorite representative and you want to see them in power. That is democracy, when everyone has right to select, to elect the representative of their choice. That is called democracy. The sentence is, the government of United States is a form of democracy. The next word is devote. To give up or appropriate to or concentrate on a particular pursuit, occupation, purpose, cause. It means that you are dedicating yourself to a purpose, to something. It can be an occupation, it can be an aim, a purpose, a cause, anything. And the sentence is, she devoted her life to God. Next word is resolution. Resolution means a firm decision to do or not to do something. If you can remember that every year we take a resolution, we make a promise to ourselves that we'll do or will not do this, right? So resolution is same, it's a firm decision, it's a promise. The sentence is, following that resolution, she was up at 5 the next morning getting ready for work. Allama Iqbal was born on 9th November 1877 in Sialkot, and he received his early education from his hometown. Then he did his MA in 1899 from the University of Punjab. He was appointed as an Arabic professor at the Oriental College, Lahore, and in 1905 he left for England for higher studies. He received a law degree over there, and in 1908 he was awarded actually a PhD degree by Munich University. So it was one of his biggest achievement. And you know that the dream of separate nation for Muslims was seen by Allama Iqbal. The efforts were put by Quaid-e-Azam and other people, but Allama Iqbal was the first one to dream about. He demanded, he wanted
separate homeland for Muslims. When you will read the chapter, you will get to know more about it. There are letters of Allama Iqbal and Quaid-e-Azam as well. So I want you to read the chapter and also research about Allama Iqbal on Google, and also go through his poetry. You will definitely find the poetry inspirational and interesting. And when we'll meet, we'll talk about it, inshallah. So have a nice day.